Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to zoom your page for your print job report, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now previously we looked at navigating our page numbers with this top little navigation bar, and today we're going to be looking at zooming our actual sample preview here. Now keep in mind your print has to be open. I've already have it open. If it's not, just simply click on the print button, fill in your client details, and then you can open that. Now let's say for some reason maybe your screen is small and you want to see information better and you're having difficulty, then you can always zoom it. In order to do that, we're going to go to our top toolbar here. We're going to go to the little magnifying glass with a little plus on it. Now if we click on this little area, pop down menu will appear, and then we'll have some options here. First two is page width and whole page. So if I go page width, if I click this, it's going to fit our current sample to the page width. And this will be a good time to close off your actual toggle group tree or the actual parameter panel. So let's remove that, and now you can see we've got a nice close view. Now we also do have the next option, which is whole page. So if we click this, it will fit the whole page to our screen, which is convenient, as you can see there, so you can quickly see what's everything on your page. The one is great for if you want to have a closer look, and the other one's great if you want to see the overall page. And under that we have some zoom levels. So if you're going to go even closer, we can go 400, which is totally unnecessary, but it's good that you can at least go that close. Then we can go all the way down to 25, which is very small. And then right under that we have this nice button called custom or option. If I select this, you will see it gives us this option dialog box, and then I say over here, please specify the zooming factor 25 to 400. Now this is great if you want to go custom. Let's say we're on 25. Now over here you can go 26. Say okay, and it'll just zoom it in. So if you look on our menu, we have no 26 here. We only have the closest to 25 is 50. So with a custom, you can go anything between 25 and 400. So if you want to get an exact fit, you can do that as well. But yeah, otherwise that is in our zooming. I would say the top two is probably the most common ones to use. So page width and whole page. I'm going to go page width so I have a nice close view so I can see the information better. But yeah, otherwise that is on the zooming feature. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.